Hello and welcome back to the third episode of our Shapeways.io coding tutorial. I'm Stanley.
And I'm Molly. Today we're going to be showing you how to put links on your website and also how to turn images into links. We're also going to be showing you how to add buttons and text fields into your websites for things such as email addresses and newsletters.
So the first thing we're going to be learning is how to make a link on our website. A link is basically a button that leads to a different website when you click it.
So to put a link into your HTML, the first thing you're going to want to do is type A, href. A stands for anchor, which sort of embeds the link into your website, telling you that this specific link will take you to this specific website. Or href is simply the reference to the website that you want to go. While typing it, you need to put an equals followed by quotation marks, and then the specific address of the website that you want to go to, including https, a colon and 2 dashes, or alternatively just http. For the purpose of this video, we're going to be using Google as an example. So all you would do is type www.google.com. Once you're done, you close it off with your closing bracket and you have your closing anchor. In between your opening and closing anchor, you're going to type what you want your link to say. So, for example, we could type click here.
It's also worth mentioning the reference to the website was all inside the first tag of the link. Now this means it's a property of the anchor and not actually the text that will be visible.
So once you're done, you can preview your website and you will see that your link is at the bottom of the page. And when you click it, you're taken to Google.
Computers aren't the smartest things. Although you've used the anchor tag to tell click me that it's a link, you haven't told it where it needs to go. That's where href comes in. It tells click me to go to www.google.com.
Alternatively, as you saw in the preview window, when we click the link, it opened up Google into the same window that your website was. If you want to open up Google into, or whatever website you're using, into a different window, all you would do is after your website, type target equals, and then quotation marks, and underscore blank. What this does is it changes the target window for your link from opening into the same one as your website into a completely blank one.
So the next thing we're going to try with our website is to make an image into a link. A lot of the time when you see a website and you see their logo, it's an image, but when you click it, it takes you to their homepage. This can be easily done by combining what we learnt before with images with what we learnt about anchors.
So all you would need to do is wrap the link that you want to put around the image, but instead of where we wrote click here, we would instead put our image location.
It's really not that complicated to turn an image into a link. Do you remember click here? All you have to do is replace that with the image tag and you're done. Just remember to add the closing A tag at the end of the image tag.
So using the image we had earlier, we're going to type a href before it, and then the location that we want the link to go to. So again, we're going to be using Google, www.google.com. But now, instead of writing a word after this closing anchor, we're going to use the image as the placeholder instead. And then we're going to close it off after image. So now, when we preview our website, our image, you can see it's now clickable. We click on it and it takes us to Google.
So now we know how to make images into clickable links. The next thing we're going to do is show you how to make a button with text on it that reacts when you click it.
So to put a button into your HTML, all you have to do is simply type button. And then in between it, you put what you would want your button to say. So for example, we're going to use click me again. So when you preview your work, you will be able to see that there is a button. You can change the size and appearance of this later on using CSS.
Next, we're going to add a text field to our website. Now, this can be seen in Google, for example, as the search bar where you type whatever you want to search for.
Alternatively, on other websites, they often use text fields so you can put in your email addresses to sign up for newsletters and things like that. So, to put text fields into your website, you're going to want to use text area. Now, you can just leave this blank, or you could put text inside of it so that it appears in the text field. I'm going to create two, one with text and one without. So you see I have the first text area with nothing inside of it, and the second one I'm going to put enter email here. So now when we preview our website, you'll be able to see that we have two text fields at the bottom. I'll zoom in so you can see. One is blank and one has enter email here, and you can type inside of it and change what you want in text fields.
So the final thing we're going to show you how to do is how to embed YouTube videos into your website.
So usually you could do this by providing a link to the YouTube video. However, we want the video itself to play on our website instead of having to go all the way to YouTube to watch it. We will be doing this by embedding the video into our website using code that YouTube itself provides. What you'll want to do is go to YouTube and find a video that you want to display on your website. You'll then want to go to the share option underneath the video itself and then choose embed. You'll see at the side, YouTube provides a block of code called iframe, which we then put into our code to display the video on our website. You'll want to copy this using Control C on a PC or Command C on a Mac. You then go into brackets and paste this code using Control or Command V.
Remember, it has to be within the body.
Here you can also change the width or the height of the video depending on how you want it to look on your website. Once you're done, you save it and then you preview it. Once you're on your website, you'll be able to see that not only is the video displayed on it, you'll be able to watch the video without having to go to YouTube.
So to recap, today we learned how to create a link that goes to other websites,
How to make images into a link that also goes to other websites,
how to make text fields,
how to also put buttons on our websites,
and how to embed YouTube videos into the website.
using code that YouTube has provided.
We have come to the end of episode 3. If you have any questions, please contact me here. I'll be happy to help. It's important that you ask me questions so you understand everything for the next episode before you move on.
Thank you for watching our video, and we hope we'll see you in the next one. That was such an awkward wave.